Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So this is, Steffi, and the rest you can tell yourself. Who are you?
I'm
Just said your name.
Felix guest.
Felix
Guest host today.
Thank you. We're doing in this course, what we're doing is we're teaching slang. So to make it more authentic, we brought on a Steffi.
Hi, everyone.
And a cat. We'll pick him up in a second. You can enjoy this.
Oh,
there we go. Okay, so this course will be
start
of the night. Yeah, so this course will be slang. We'll start easy, then we'll go more and more difficult. We'll also categorize the course. So we'll start with like numbers. So that basically means that you just have to know the numbers to know these slang expressions. Then we'll move on to actually there's so many words for this guy. Not actually for the equivalent for the female gender, but there's a lot. So we'll do a whole segment for that, and then we'll move on to titles. We'll have a few swear words and some above 18 words as well. And there's a lot to look forward to. All in all, I think we're ready to start. Are you ready?
Yes.
做好准备了，好了，可以了，